In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a refund in Stripe, a process that takes just about 5 minutes once you get the hang of it. Stripe is a powerful platform widely used for managing payments online, and knowing how to issue a refund is an essential skill, whether you're managing a small business or a larger operation. First, start by navigating to the official website, stripe.com, which is your main portal to access your Stripe dashboard. Once you're there, look for the sign in option. It's typically located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on sign in to proceed. Next, you'll be taken to the login page. Here, you'll need to enter your registered email address and password. These are your credentials that ensure a secure login to your account. Once you've filled in these details, go ahead and click on sign in again to log into your account. If you happen to have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure to have your device ready for the extra verification step. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your Stripe dashboard. Look for the Home tab. This is generally your starting point for any actions you need to perform within Stripe. Now, from the sidebar or the main dashboard area, you'll want to locate the Transactions section. Clicking here will take you to a list of all recent transactions associated with your account. Now, this is where you'll select the specific transaction you wish to refund. Browse through the list or use the search feature for quicker access. And once you've identified the correct transaction, select it. With the transaction details open, focus your attention on the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find an option labeled Refund. It's crucial to note that refunding is only available if you're operating a paid Stripe account, which is essential for conducting real business transactions with the platform. Once you've clicked on the Refund option, you will be prompted to select the amount you'd like to refund. Stripe gives you the flexibility to refund either the full amount of the transaction or just a partial sum depending on your particular needs and the agreement with your customer. After setting the desired refund amount, double check your input to ensure there are no errors, as this action will process immediately once confirmed. Lastly, click on the Proceed button to finalize and submit the refund. And that's it, you've successfully issued a refund through Stripe. Knowing how to handle refunds is an invaluable skill in maintaining customer satisfaction and smooth operation of your payment processes. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial, and I hope it made the refund process in Stripe clear and straightforward.